Hi, 2 years ago I made this video
Take the top
how
a
to
little bit,
start growing your own pineapples,
make a hole.
and I put it in exactly that spot where you see it on the screen now. I'll show you what happened after 2 years. So this is the spot where 2 years ago I planted this pineapple. It is huge. It's the biggest I've ever seen in my garden, and to show you how big that is, I have the scale, and this one is about 7 inches tall, and that's gonna be huge and yummy. So a lot of people were asking me how hard it is to grow and how big they can grow. Now you can see several inches. They're probably as big as those that you can buy at Publix. Of course, I keep them a little bit longer on the tree, if you can call it a tree, until they get really yellow. I see a couple of spots of green on this side, so I'm gonna keep it on that tree for, I don't know, a couple of days until I see no greens, and then I'll cut it and eat it. So for those of you that want to do it, all you do is just plant it, and after a week or two of watering, I do nothing, and then all you have to do is just wait. Then you have a beautiful, juicy and delicious pineapples. And the trick to growing really big pineapples is to keep them separated. See, those are really tiny. They're still gonna grow, they're gonna be delicious, but I planted them a little bit too close, so they are really small. So this one I already ate, this one was already done, this one is a little bit smaller, this one was really big and tasty and really sweet. But see, those are really big, and I don't know, maybe I put a little bit more good soil underneath when I planted them. That's why they grow so good, and also it's gotta be probably the perfect spot with the sun and the shade combination. I hope you enjoy the video and start growing your own pineapples. I love mine. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.